Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. Well, summer is finally here, so we have some ideas on things that you can use in your garden and your backyard when you're out traveling a little bit to make you nice and safe for the summer and enjoy the lovely weather that we're going to have. Beautiful hats. We have these hats. These are made in Ontario by Madcap Hats. Tori, she's up near Perth. Beautiful little hats. We've talked about them before. Really great. We even have little kids' hats, these little flapjack hats. They're reversible, so you've got two sides to them with two images. We have some lovely sunscreen here. It's all natural sunscreen, so it's great stuff. Some lip balm as well from the same company, so really great stuff. And then when you get into the garden, you want to kneel down and get on your kneeler seat and get in the garden and keep your knees nice and safe. Got some great gloves. It's really important to wear some great gloves because you don't want to run into any weird stuff in the ground. It might cut your hands or run into some pet waste or something like that. So it's a really good idea to wear some gloves. These are our favorite. They're really snug, so you can really feel what you're doing when you're really pulling the weeds out. The Garden Bandit, it's a Canadian-made tool, really great tool. It's stainless steel, so it doesn't rust. It's just for weeding in the garden. It really is great for loosening your soil, mixing in compost, opening up and cutting into that really hard soil. So it's a really great tool. I hope you drop by. We'll help you pick out some things for the summer and have a great summer. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.